Curious if Onshape, the cloud-based CAD platform, is free? Let's break it down. Onshape offers a free plan for hobbyists, makers, and non-commercial projects. It's perfect for personal 3D printing or open-source designs, with full CAD tools like parametric modeling and assemblies. The catch? All documents are publicly accessible, so anyone can view or copy them. Students and educators also get a free education plan with private data for non-commercial use, ideal for classrooms. For commercial work, the standard plan costs around $1,500 per user per year, while professional plans are $2,500, offering private data and advanced PDM tools. Large teams can opt for the enterprise plan with custom pricing. Want to try before you buy? The Discovery Program gives qualified users Onshape Professional free for up to 6 months. No credit card needed. Startups and content creators may also qualify for free professional licenses. So, is Onshape free? Yes, for non-commercial use or education, but commercial projects need a paid plan or trial. Visit onshape.com to explore plans or sign up for a free account today. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and thanks for watching.